My name is Adam and welcome back to Broke Man Finance. Many investors have started getting heavier into cryptos than stocks, such as myself, and I know that many people out there won't agree with that strategy, and that's okay. One day, maybe that pendulum swings in a completely new direction, and I am never too attached or emotionally attached to something that I'm not willing to change my strategy if it makes sense. While how much crypto to hold is a debatable topic with the majority of people not holding any, what's not debatable is that in no other time in history has the ability to build generational wealth and get rich been easier. If I had to take $1,000 and I had to turn it into $10,000 or $100,000 and I had 1 year to do it, I'm going to choose crypto. I've spoken to so many people and I've read so many comments that sound like, and if I could just go back in time and invest in Apple or Netflix or Google or Tesla, etc., etc. But they laugh when you talk about crypto, not realizing they are staring at the same opportunity they wish they could go back in time for. These same people had the opportunity to invest in Microsoft, but they were too busy laughing at the internet, calling it a fad. But not everyone was laughing. And the ones that recognized the internet's potential, well, they're living pretty comfortable now. Throughout history, there have been moments in time where ideas changed everything. I'm talking about railroads, electricity, the Industrial Revolution where mass amounts of anything could be produced, telephones, the internal combustion engine in cars, the internet, and the list goes on. Did you know that almost 90% of stocks are owned by the richest 10% of people? The top 1% own a lot of stock, and the rest of us just own a little. And I'm not bagging on stocks. I still own quite a large position in stocks. I'm just saying, right now, the value to me, I see being, and the opportunity being in cryptos more than stocks. Imagine being an early investor to the internet, which is where I believe we still are with crypto. Experts predict that the greatest transfer of wealth will occur in the next few years when the baby boomers will transfer over $30 trillion in wealth to their children, the millennials, and post-millennial generations. Now, why is that important? Because millennials have already started making the shift towards the use of unconventional banking, with Bitcoin poised to be the beneficiary of the great wealth transfer of our time. One in which I see Bitcoin well over six figures per BTC, and that's just Bitcoin. That's not even including other powerhouses like Ethereum. A study by Gallup shows that many American adults investing in Bitcoin has tripled in the last 3 years. These individuals have more than $10,000 in traditional investment vehicles and are willing to invest these assets into Bitcoin. The number went from a 2% to a 6% portfolio allocation and is likely higher today since that was several months back. A similar study suggests that 66% of millennials have more faith in the cryptocurrency market than in the traditional market. Notably, about 13% of those aged 18 and 49 now own Bitcoin compared to 3% back in 2018. But the good thing for you right now is that you're still early, and most people still don't know what any of this crypto stuff even is. Most still believe that all cryptos are trying to take over a fiat or be a currency somewhere, and that's just simply not the case. When you start looking at all this from an objective perspective, you begin to recognize that there is an incredible opportunity there, and well, yeah, I've bought in. The truth is, it all comes down to your opinion of the potential of crypto. Either you think it's a waste of time, or you think it's the wave of the future. My personal opinion is I believe that we have a financial revolution at our literal fingertips, and history tends to reward the brave. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay safe, get rich, and we will see you soon.